Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn about the authentication roles in NestJS like login, register, logout, profile, accounts, right? So we are going to learn in this video, coming videos also, but now we are going to learn about the create user to the database we are using the mongodb, right? So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the users functionality, okay, and here we have app module.ts file, okay. So we where we have all the user service and the auth module, right? And here we have the we have the controllers. So here we have the controller login. This is auth controller, not the users. So here we have the users. So let's go to the users controller. Here we have a create user functionality, and let's go and just create the user, add user. So here it can add the user. Let's go to the postman and check. This is the auth. No, this is users create user. So what parameters it will take? Name, email and the password. Okay, so if I go and just add it over here, just make it one more, this one, and the password, send. You can see that it created. Let's check the post mongo, and you can see that my magento 1903 is created over here, right? So this the user is created. Let's check the code level, what exactly the structure and all. So I think I will show you the module.ts app module, which is the main file. So here we have add the auth module also. Here we have the user module also. Okay, the user module. This is the users module full where we have here user module added, because here we are using the users controller, user service, user schema. So all the information related to user we have added over here: controller, schema, DTO, interceptor, pipes, schema, right? In the schema we have added the name, email and the password, which we have the type script type string, okay. And DTO we have already the create user, which name should be the string, email should be the string and password should be the string, okay. And this is the module service which we are using, and here we have the functionality that used by crypt, okay, a mongoose, a nest mongoose and the next common, which is by default, right? So here we have using the add user functionality. So adding this one, we will able to create a user into the database mongodb. So we have learned how to create or how to register a user using the nestjs. In the next video we are going to learn about the login process, how to log in that user with the token and all, right? So let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.